We'll start the class. Okay. So today class we will discuss the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute now. Okay, listen. So it is based on the Bohr model of hydrogen atom. Okay. So just to consider one positive charge it is there. So this is the positive charge. This is the direction of current. No. That is the element. This is L. In outer electron it is so normal only no. In the center nucleus it is there, outer electrons it is there, no, same concept. In center nucleus, that is I will consider only positive charge. Okay, outer electron it is revolving around the nucleus. From the origin to electron, it is the R, that radius R. Now, so this is the direction of velocity. And this is the direction of electron revolving direction, E minus, and this is the direction of current, I value. So this is the direction of mu L. So we'll discuss what is mu L, everything one by one. Okay. Now the current formula. So current formula. So current I is equal to charge divided by time. Charge divided by time. Now, what is charge? That is the electron to be considered to E. Now, time. So time T formula also there. So this is the capital T. Revolving electron around the nucleus. So it is a 2 pi r. 2 pi r divided by B. Yeah, very good. Okay, now just rewrite the equation. I is equal to EV divided by 2 pi r. This is the first formula. Okay.
V is velocity, sir.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. And consider the motion is a uniform circular motion. Okay, it is a uniform circular motion, and the magnetic dipole moment. It is IA, and area of the current loop. One minute. It is pi r square. Pi r square. So now we should find the orbital magnetic moment. Because of this is a uniform circular motion, so orbital magnetic okay, so it is equal to that mu L equal to I into A. Orbital magnetic moment formula, please note it, I into A. So what is the I? That is the current. A is the area. So already we know that I value EV divided by 2 pi r. So just apply the values from the equation number 1. EV divided by 2 pi r A, that is the area of the current loop, pi r square. Now pi cancel, 1 r it is cancelled. Remember 1 it is the mu L. This is the base L, not like this. Mu L like this. Mu L, orbital magnetic moment. The magnetic moment due to the orbital motion. Okay. So you will get EVR divided by 2. So this is equation number 3. Okay. So up to that, please note Take a note it. The remainder things we will discuss. Listen everyone. Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. So I will take one positive charge. Okay. An outer electron it is there. Electron is revolving around the nucleus. That is a positive charge. Nucleus means proton and neutron it is there, but we consider only the positive charge. Now, at the center to the electron revolving, the distance it is there, that is the radius small r, and the current flow direction, it is opposite to electronic direction. So electron it is moving, see that it is in the anti-clockwise. Electron moving direction anti-clockwise. Current direction it is a clockwise. So based on diagram we get some idea. Next, the velocity will exit in a moving direction. That mu L, that is the orbital magnetic moment. So negative charge revolving around the anti-clockwise direction, current flow in the clockwise direction. And I am using the right hand thumb rule, finding the direction. Okay, listen. That magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, it is perpendicular to the plane. So this is a perpendicular now. See that mu L is a perpendicular to the plane, and the direction is a downward direction, perpendicular to the plane. Please take a note. Using right hand thumb rule, the direction of magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron will be perpendicular. So it is downward direction. Under that L it is a upward direction. The direction of L. So what is L mean? That is the angular momentum. L is a upward direction. So L is refer angular momentum. Okay, next one. Finding the angular momentum. It is L. So L equal to mvr. In this m, that is the mass of electron, mevr, and L direction, it is a upward, mu L direction downward. This is equation number 4. Just a minute. Okay. From equation number 3 and equation number 4, just to divide equation number 3 divided by 4, that is orbital angular moment mu L divided by, please properly write mu, it is a base L, mu L divided by L. Okay, L means angular momentum. That mu L value EVR by 2 divided by L value ME. ME means mass of electron. VR. So RR it is cancelled, and VV also cancelled. That 2 will come down. Finally, you will get E divided by 2ME. This is equation number 5. So it is called as that mu L by L. It is no, mu L divided by L. This is the ratio. Okay, and this ratio is a constant. It is called as chiromatic ratio. Chiromatic magnetic. One more question, please. Note it. All the formula is important. So I am explaining for the entire derivation. Okay. In term 1 exam, maximum no need for the derivation part, but definitely they will ask that final equation. So you should remember all the formulas. The value of mu L divided by L, it is equal to UL divided by L, the value 8.8 into 10 power 10, not a minus 10, that is a 10. 10 power 10 C kg inverse, Coulomb kg inverse. Because electron, the SI unit is charge, that is a charge SI unit is a Coulomb, and ME, that is a mass SI unit kg. So Coulomb kg inverse, the value is 8.8 into 10 power 10. From above equation, the ratio formula it is no, same formula, just rewrite mu L, it is equal to E divided by 2ME. For E it is there, E it is there, no need to cancel like that. That is the mass of electron, this is the electron. Kindly understand. If you have any confusion, please you can ask to me. ME, mass of electron, this is electron. That is a charge into L. And a form of vector form, mu L vector, it is equal to E divided by 2me. Mass of electron into L vector. So this is a vector form. And we should mention the minus also. So why we are using minus means the direction of L, it is opposite to mu L. From the diagram, just refer the diagram. See here, mu L, it is a downward direction, L, it is a upward direction. Okay, so that the L is opposite to the mu L. So only I mention as a minus. Okay, so it is clear for you. Up to that, this is equation number 5, 6, 7. Equation number 6. Equation number 7. Now I am using for the Bohr quantization condition. The Bohr quantum condition formula is there. Anybody remember? Atom and nucleic lesson. Bohr quantum condition. Bohr postulate. Okay. The Bohr quantization condition, it is very simple. The formula L, it is equal to NH. This is NH divided by 2 pi. So the value of N, it is 1, 2, 3 real numbers, and H, it is the Planck constant. H is referred to Planck constant. So L equal to NH divided by 2 pi. The value of H, Planck constant.
6.625 into 10.
Yes. 10 now. Check it. .62 into 10. Six two six into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Yeah, Balasini, correct. Good, super. Okay. From equation number 6, that mu L equal to E divided by 2me into L. So in this L purpose, I am writing the value NH divided by 2 pi. From equation number 6, this is equation number 8. Mu L, it is equal to N into EH divided by 2 2s are 4 pi me, mass of electron. So this is equation number 9. Using in this formula, equation number 10, we should find the magnetic moment of an electron revolving in nth orbit. In case orbit n value, they said 1. First orbit means n value 1. Second orbit means n value 2. Third orbit means n value 3. E is the charge of electron, H is the Planck constant, 4 pi me, mass of electron. So maximum mass of electron in question paper first page they will do. And in question itself they will say it is a fourth orbit. So fourth orbit means n value 4. Clear? So E is the electron value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and the pi value also constant, H also constant. So based on given data, we will get the proper answer. Please take a notes. Listen ma. So still now 9 formula completed. In this 9 formula also important. So maximum in this chapter based on the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, one question it is there. And listen, today is the last day to submit your record note. So tomorrow onwards, only completed students only I will allow to my class. So others and all, you will take rest. Today evening, up to today evening time it is there. If you have any difficulties, please inform to me. Maximum there is no difficulty. Everyone it is possible to complete because I am given very properly. Just 8 experiment, 6 activities. So based on new pattern, I didn't ask old one. So old one means you should write 15 experiment. Okay. So I am thinking towards your benefit only, but still now you are not responding. You are not up to the level. So today evening up to 5 p.m. it is there. Okay, grade 12. This is practical record note 2021, 2022. Today at 5 p.m. is the last. Listen, that mark, that internal mark it is there no. So internal mark, data submission, content, presentation. We have some rubrics. We should follow that one. Okay, Balasunil, goodbye. So 5 marks. Even though he is submitting late also, there is no problem. It is not possible. So only proper data submission is important. And don't say any stories now. Why you are not submitted means you are saying a lot of stories no. Try to avoid. Till now, some students didn't open and see also that Gokul Ram, Gautam, Haris. Jeffrey Kritika, Kritika, okay, Kritis, Vimala Vidya, Kumaraguru, practical record note, all 8 experiments, 6 activities. Take a photo, convert into PDF, upload into MS Team. Practical record note. First page your name at the first page school certificate it is no certificate onwards. Class work I will tell you after now. Don't worry. First you finish record work. Listen, if you have any doubt, you go and ask your seniors. They know what are the important for the record work. Still no, one small changes also I said, go and write one more time. Entire fully ma'am, completely I given. They made a mistake, I said, I didn't correct, go and write one more time. Because I know that students not submitted on date. So only I said like that. Some students written some extra experiment also. That is the old method. Now 15 experiment also they written. But in practical, I took only for 8. That 8 experiment. Apart from 8 experiment also, I omitted. Some students they didn't written properly. That also I said one more time you should write. Some students they are using 2 record notes. If you have any doubt, kindly ask your seniors. Physics record note, 2 record notes. You are using only 1 record note. That 1 record note also around 40 pages it will come. Maximum 40 pages. Some students writing very small letters around 35 to 25 pages. 35 to 25 pages also you are not writing means. What is the use? Okay, so we'll go for next one. Up to formula number 9 we completed. So next one, now I am applying for some condition now. Okay, now the n value is 1. That is the first orbit. The n value 1. It is in the first orbit. So you will get mu L. It is equal to E H divided by 4 pi m E. So next one, I know the values of that E value, H value, pi value and mass of electron. So just apply all the values. So E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Just now I said that is a H value, Planck constant, 6.63. 6.63 for the 2 decimal, 10 power minus 34 joule seconds divided by 4 into pi value 3.14 into the mass of electron 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So do the simplification, you will get that mu value. Listen, that mu L, it is equal to mu B. It is called as Bohr magneton, mu B. That mu L equal to mu B. Okay, that mu B value is, that mu L, it is a minimum value. So it is called as Bohr magneton. Okay, so Bohr magneton means it is a minimum value because of n value is 1. That one only minimum, no? So it is a Bohr magneton. So finally you will get the answer mu B. Mu B means Bohr magneton. It is equal to 9 point, this is a point, 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. This is equation number 10. Please take a note. Please take a note now. Still no true formula result. Kindly wait. It is not completed. Now listen, we are conducting first term 50% test. Okay, first cumulative test. Total number of chapter 4. First chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter. So be ready for that. Okay, listen. This is the positive charge. This is the negative charge. So negative charge revolving around the positive charge. So in this condition, there is a orbital angular momentum as well as spin angular momentum. Both also there. So orbital angular momentum it is L vector. Spin angular momentum, okay, it is S vector. So what is spin angular momentum? The definition I'm telling you, please note it. The magnetic moment possessed by an electron due to its spinning motion. Due to spinning motion.
Sir, can you repeat from first, sir?
1 minute. The magnetic moment possessed by an electron due to its spinning motion. It is called as spinning magnetic moment or instantaneous magnetic moment.
Sir, after spinning motion.
After spinning motion is called that's all, ma'am. Spinning motion is called spinning magnetic moment. Instantaneous magnetic moment. Okay, the formula mu S vector, it is equal to minus E divided by mass of electron into S vector. So now we should find the total magnetic moment. So it is equal to mu vector, it is equal to mu L plus mu S, sum of mu L and mu S. So you will get mu equal, that is a mu vector equal minus E divided by 2me L vector plus 2S vector. Up to formula 10 completed. This is formula number 11. This is formula number 12. 12 formula also very important. So based on any one formula, definitely they will ask one question to you. Please take a notes. Listen. So chapter number 5, a very important topic. See that. Now we are discussing in this topic only. So after the earth magnetic field and magnetic elements. So everything important because they given very little. So definitely any one question or two questions. So based on in this area they will ask. So kindly prepare well. So upcoming week, August first week for you, the first 50% test based on term 1, 3 hours exam, not 35 minutes, 3 hours, 70 marks, electric charges and field, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current electricity, moving charges and magnetism. Not a 35 marks, 70 marks, 3 hours. Okay, it is clear for you. Any doubt? Date of exam, I will tell you after. But August first week for you exam it is there. 4 chapters. First
Sir, in home itself or come to school, sir?
In home itself only, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
There is no problem, no? Ma, please prepare yourself. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.